Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In this class, we are going to look at the topic world problems leading to quadratic equations. When we talk of world problem that lead to quadratic equation, we know what the quadratic equation is all about. From our previous class, you know what quadratic equation is all about. Today we are going to look at world problems leading to what quadratic equation. Look at the question on the board. The product of two numbers which differ by 1 is 72. Find the numbers. First of all, we need to interpret this in a mathematical language. We need to translate it in a mathematical form. The product of two numbers. First of all, solution. You now start with your solution. And you start with lay the number. Lay the first number because they say two number. Lay the first number be what? X. If the first number, because they say the product of two numbers, you can say let the number be T, let the number be M, let the number be any alphabet. The first, because they say the product of two numbers, let the first number be X. Now, the question says, which differ by 1? Differ means, when you hear differ means what? Difference means what? The difference between them. That is what? Minus. That is, let the second number, let's just say, let the second number be what? That X. Let the second number be X. Differ means subtract by what? 1. So let the second number be the same X, which is the first number. Different. The difference by 1. And the difference by 1 is what? There X minus 1. So that is it. Now the question says the product of the two numbers which differ by 1 is 72. That means the product X into X minus 1 is equal to what? 72. How do we do this? Expand the left hand side. Expand what? The left hand side, which is what? X times x squared. X times this will give us minus what? X. Now is equal to what? 72. Now let's go to here. So is equal to 72. So now 72, we have this thing as x minus x squared minus x. This 72 we cross the sign of equality will become minus what? 70 what? Minus 72. Now equal to what? 0. So in this case, you need, this is quadratic equation. You need to resolve this quadratic equation either by factorization method, or by completing square method, or by almighty formula, which is known as what? General method of solving what? Quadratic equation. But I choose to use quadratic equation here. What two numbers that when we multiply we get what? Minus 72. But when we add it we get this. Let's look at minus 9 times 8 will give us minus 72. Minus 9 plus 8 will give us what? Minus what? 1, which is minus this. So it's okay. So we are going to use what? X squared minus 9x plus what? 8 what? X and minus what? 72. So now what do? We partition them. X squared minus 9x, close it, into what? 8x minus what? 72. All equal to 0. All equal to 0. Okay, what do we do now? X, we bring s out. S into minus 9, close it, and bring 8 out, which is 8x into minus 9. So all equal to 0. Bring 1 outside, which is x plus 8 into x. Choose 1 inside the bracket, as it into 9 equal to 0. Now x plus 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. So what do we do? X, make us the subject of the formula. We have x equals to what? Minus 8, or x equal to what? minus 9. Okay, at least we have gotten that from the first equation. Now when x equals to minus 8, from this place x minus 1 will be what? This will be 8 minus 8 minus 1, which will give us what? Minus 9. Now when x equals to it is minus 8, this is 9, not minus 9. So now when x equal to 9, from this place 9 minus 1 will give us what? 8. Hence the numbers are 1 when x equals to 8, the minus 8, this is minus 8. Why this one will be what? Minus, minus 9. And when x equals to 9, this one will be what? When x is equal to 9, this one will be what? 8. So when x equals to minus 8, the x minus 1 will be equal to minus 9. When x equals to 9, x minus 1 will be what? 8. So this is the solution to the program. So that is how to solve it. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatic Online Class. Bye.